Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You all aware what are the different type of competitions taking place?
No.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Said yes. Can you please tell me what are the different competitions that are taking place?
Zonal round.
Zonal round. Okay. In the zonal round, what is happening?
First math challenger.
Okay, Nidhi Yadav, can I see? Nidhi, I hope you're not a teacher. You're a student, no?
I'm student.
Okay, very good. So Nidhi, what did you say? Math challenger and what else?
Teamwork.
On
Team
math challenger is a teamwork, and there is another one.
Final round.
That is called Clash of Mathematicians.
Okay, Clash
There
of
are
Math.
2 rounds. All of you, boys and girls, are you all listening to me, boys and girls? All
Yes,
of you?
sir.
Yes, sir.
So, what are the okay? I will do one thing. I will. Oh God, I can't share my screen. Miss Madhuri, can I share my screen? Hello? Can you please allow me to share screen?
Yes, sir, let me check.
Okay.
Sir, your co-host, you can now.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Now, all of you boys and girls, you all are participating in a infinity. What is the name of the competition?
Infinity.
Infinity. Okay, this is the name of the competition. And all of you are studying class 9 and 10. Your category is seniors. What is your category? Seniors. Okay. Now, in this category, you will be participating in 2 types of competitions. The first one is called what is this? What is this? Who can tell me? Who can tell me? What did I write down? What did I write down? Yes, beta Shruti, what did I write down? I can't hear Shruti, you're on mute. I still can't hear you. Okay. I think there is some problem. Prerna, what did I write down over here?
Yes, sir. Can I?
Yeah, beta, please tell me.
Clash of Mathematics.
Clash of Mathematicians.
Wonderful. Clash of Mathematicians. And what type of round it is? It is individual round. It is individual round. The first one is called the Clash of Mathematicians. And this is an individual round. And what is going to happen in this individual round? Can any one of you tell me? Diksha, what will happen in this individual round?
We have 30 questions to solve in 60 minutes.
Very good, excellent. So each one of you will be given 30 questions and you have to solve it out individually. You are not going to discuss with your friends, and you have to just write down the answers. Okay? And what type of questions will be there? These questions are MCQ type of questions. What is MCQ? Yes, Shruti, your lip movement, I could understand that you are going to say multiple choice question. Yes. Shiksha, did you understand this? Anu, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, in this class, so what type of competition you are going to appear for? You are going to come for infinity. What is your category? Your category is seniors. Which class students can come for seniors round? Students from grade 9 and 10 only. Okay. Now, what is the name of the competition? I mean, round that you are going to appear. First one, there will be 2 rounds. First round is called Clash of Mathematicians. Am I correct? Clash of Mathematicians. What does that mean? What does that mean? What does it mean? What do you mean by Clash of Mathematicians? Yes or no? Better, can you tell me what do you mean by Clash of Mathematicians? Anu, I can't hear you. No? Bhavesh?
Yes, sir. I would like to continue it that clash of mathematicians means that every senior or every student is a mathematician, and clash means they will be against each other or they will fight to win.
Very good. Excellent. Absolutely. Clash of math, because all of you, those who are participating in this competition, remember, all of you have been selected by your school because you all are very, very good mathematics students. Okay. Now, see, there are 58 teams that I have got from all the schools. Okay. Now, what happens is that now all these 58 teams, and each team has how many members? Each team has
Three.
Three members.
members. So totally, how many teams will be there? How many students are there? 174. So only from your school, only I give, only from your friend circle, we have 174 students. Okay, and let me tell you that totally there are 304 teams, not 304, about 180. For seniors, we have about 180 teams. So 180 into 3 gives you 540. So 540 students like you boys and girls are there. Okay, like you boys and girls, there will be 540 students from all over India and from Dubai and from Singapore and from Doha. These people will all appear for this math competition. Okay, now out of these 540 students, what we have to do? We will, on all our best students in their respective school. Now, clash of mathematicians only means that everyone will try their level best to be the best student. Okay, and we'll see that who comes first. All right. So that is clash of mathematicians, and this in clash of mathematicians, you will be, if you are first, whoever the student is first, then he will be awarded a title called mathematician of the year. Can you imagine the student who comes first will be getting the award Mathematician of the Year. Did you understand? So what did you do? Clash of Mathematicians. It is an individual round. You have to answer 30 questions, MCQ questions, and you have to answer them in 60 minutes. That means for each question, you can't spend more than 2 minutes. Am I correct to all of you? Yes or no? Boys and girls, did you understand what I said? No one is
Yes.
saying anything.
Yes, sir. You are
Sure, now
correct.
all of you?
Yes,
Okay. Very good. Now, and this after Clash of Mathematician, there is another round. What is it called? Math Challengers. This is called Math Challengers. Okay. Now, can anyone tell me what are you doing in Math Challenger? Nitish Gupta, can you tell me what happens in Math Challengers? What happens in Math Challengers, Nitish Gupta? Beta, can you tell me? You don't want to say? Shiksha Pandey, would you like to say what happens in Math Challenges? What will happen? Saloni Sharma? Saloni, you people have put up your hand, but you're not saying. You have raised your hand. Habib Khan, what you're going to do in Math Challenges?
Sir, 10 questions. Sir, we have to 10 questions, 16 minutes. Challenges. We have to make 3 teams and 60 minutes.
Okay. So Habib, who are your friends? Who is your team? Habib, you are one. Who are the others in your team?
सर हम लोग का टीम बना नहीं है अभी तक.
बेटा बना तो होगा, नहीं तो बेटा तुम्हारा अगर टीम नहीं बना है तो डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा ना तुम्हारा. Then you have to ask your teachers. Miss Madhuri. Miss Madhuri.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They are not aware, maybe, but yes, everyone from your school, from each school, there are 3 students selected. So please get in touch with your maths teacher or your HM. They will help you to know your teammates. Okay, everybody has a team.
Yes, Madhuri, please make sure that tomorrow when everyone joins, if they could join in team. Is there anyone who has the complete team over here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Who is
sir.
this?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Who is
Yes,
this?
sir.
Who is this?
Yes, sir.
What is your name, beta? What is your name? You said yes, sir.
Nahida.
Huh?
Nahida.
Sir, Laxmi.
Nahida. Nahida. Nahida, who are the team members?
Arbaz and Ritu.
Arbaz and
Ritu.
Ritu.
Yes, sir.
So Nahida, Arbaz and Ritu. This is one team. Now, this team, they will be getting 10 questions. Nahida, Arbaz, Ritu, you 3 will be getting 10 questions and only 1 question paper will be given. Okay. Now, you have to solve out these 10 questions in 60 minutes. You have to solve out 10 questions in 60 minutes. And when you are solving it out, all 3 of you will solve out together. It is not individually. You have to solve it out together. And at the end of 60 minutes, you submit the answers. Okay. So this is how it will be done. That is the math challenges. And the best team best team will be selected to join final day, final round. Am I correct? To join the final round.
Yes, sir.
So this is what will happen. Okay. So again, I am repeating. Excuse me. Can you please mute yourself? Please mute yourself, beta. Boys and girls, please mute yourself. Okay. I repeat once more. Two types of competitions going to take place on 8th of January. Competition starts at 9 a.m. You need to log in at 8:45 a.m. 8:45 a.m. Okay, so 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. is individual round. And then after this, Neelam, is it 10 to 11? The clash of mathematicians? Anyway, immediately after this will be the clash of mathematicians, which I also don't recall exact timing. We will let you all know about it. And that team round will be there immediately next after this. Okay, so it will be for 2 hours, 9 to 10 and 10 to 11, right? Am I correct? Okay, and which day is it taking place? Date is 8th of January. I hope all of you will remember this. Am I correct? And what are the math competitions? What is the name of the competition that you all are joining for? What is the name of the competition? What is the name of the competition?
Math challengers and
Now, beta, name of the competition.
Infinity.
Yes, Infinity. And what is the individual round competition called?
Clash.
Clash of mathematicians.
mathematicians.
Yes, very good. Clash of mathematicians. And what is the second mathematics round that is called? Bolo, tell me, any one of you tell me.
Challenger math.
Math
Very good. Math challengers. Okay, that's very, very good. So now you remember what is going to happen. Now what I want you all to do is, we have with us Miss Neelam and Mr. Sahaj. Okay, Miss Neelam will tell you today about the individual competition, and she will give you a question paper and you have to solve it out. Okay, beta, all of you, let us see what happens now.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Neelam, are you there? Neelam?
Okay, hello everyone. Sorry, I was on unmute. Okay, so I would want everyone to keep all the participants to keep their videos on here. May I request everyone to keep their video on? All the participants who are going to participate, please keep your video on. Okay, now you all have made your own Gmail account, right? So what I'm going to do is, since I can see about 120 participants here and rest I believe are teachers. So what we will be doing is, for individual round, we are going to have a trial session today. Okay. Now in this trial session, as sir explained, for the final one, like which will be there on 8th January, you have for individual round, its name is Clash of Mathematicians. That's an individual round. Okay. The name of that round is Clash of Mathematicians. For that round, on the final day, you will have 30 questions to be answered, and you will get 60 minutes to answer that question. You will be answering those questions individually. Now, today, what we are going to do is, for this trial round, we will be having about 10 questions which you will be answering. And you will be getting these questions on Google Forms. Okay, so I'll share the link in some time. Meanwhile, I would want you all to log in to the Google Forms using your Gmail accounts. Okay, so once you log into the Google Forms, you will see the set of instructions there. As of now, for the trial round, the instructions are, there are these 10 questions which are multiple choice questions. There are 4 choices for each of the question, A, B, C, and D. You are supposed to select whichever you find is correct. Please do not leave any question unanswered. So select whichever choice you find is correct. And once you select that, you move on to the next question. Likewise, you'll get 20 minutes to complete 10 questions. The points awarded to each correct answer is 4 marks. Okay, so if you get one correct answer, you'll get 4 points. And at the end, like the total will be calculated, we'll get to see the total and then we can inform you. And if you go wrong in answering, it is no points will be deducted for that. Okay, so correct answer, 4 points. So likewise, you have 10 questions to answer. There are 20 minutes for that. Okay. And you will be answering it on Google form. Once you finish all the 10 questions, even if you finish before 20 minutes, you will submit the form. Okay, so that's what we are going to do. This is a trial exercise. So if you have any question as of now, you can ask me. I would want each one of you to have your different devices. Like we cannot have, I can see Anuradha is sitting with one more person there. So we cannot have 2 people sitting next to each other and solving this individual round. We have to have, each one would be attempting this on separate devices. Okay, so either you use your mobile phones, or if you are having access to the laptop or desktop, you can use that. But each one must be accessing the Google form through different device. Okay, so any questions so far? Anu, do you have any question? Your hand is raised.
Can I request everyone to please switch on your camera? Because, you know, boys and girls, there's a reason behind it. Why we ask everyone to switch on their camera? Because, you know, I'm not telling you all that you all will be cheating or anything like that. But, you know, if you all are on the camera, then we are able to see that, yes, this particular girl or boy is working on the problem. Okay. So we will really appreciate if the cameras are on. We will, all the students, I mean to say, who are there at the moment, can we request you to please keep your cameras on? Nahida, Nisha, Satish, Ragini, Shreya, Ajay, Anjali, Salman. I don't know whether I need to call out everyone's name. Sunita, Satish Jadhav, I don't know whether you are a teacher or a student, but I request you, very good, very good. I can see all the cameras on. Very nice to see this. Please keep the cameras on. Khushi, Amritesh, Rajnandini, Dhankala Dhoni, everyone, please put your camera on. It's a requirement, very much it's a requirement.
Okay. So yes, Pradipta sir, please go ahead.
No, now Neelam, you please carry on.
Okay, so there are two important things. As sir said, camera should be on throughout these 20 minutes. Okay, that's first important thing. Second important thing is you are not allowed to use any form of calculator here. Okay, so if you wish, you can sit with a rough sheet and a pen or a pencil. If you want to do any rough work, So please sit with the rough papers or and a pen so that you can do the working there, but do not use any form of calculator. So even if you're using laptop, no laptop calculators are allowed, no mobile calculators are allowed.
Beta, again you switched off your camera.
I'll give you 2 minutes. Quickly go and grab a rough sheet and a pen so that you can do the rough work alongside. So if you can quickly get that. And then switch on your cameras. Naveen, Shreya, Bhavesh, Anjali, Saloni, Ritesh, please keep your cameras on. Nahida.
I don't know. Beta, on the final day, we want your, I mean, on 8th, we would like to have your cameras on. You can't keep off the camera. We are repeatedly telling you all.
So this is one set of rule in Infinity, that if we find the participants with their camera off, the participant and is disqualified for individual round, and for team round, the entire team is disqualified. So I don't, as sir also mentioned, we don't want to disqualify any of you. So please abide by the rules and keep your camera on for this 20 minutes. If you can keep your camera on and let me know once you all are ready with a rough sheet so that I can share the link of the Google form in the chat. Anjali, Shreya, Saloni, we are still waiting, beta. Nahida. Nandini, Anuradha, there are so many of you without your cameras, guys. Please switch on your cameras. Yeah, Nahida. Yes, Nahida, please go ahead with your question.
There's still plenty with the cameras off.
Yeah. Guys, we'll be able to share the chat. We'll be able to share the link only if we see everyone's camera on. All the participants need to keep their camera on. Because if you cannot keep it in the trial round, obviously like on 8, I don't think it will be possible for you to switch on your camera for that 60 minutes if this is not possible for 20 minutes.
Please keep in mind, okay, it is very, very important to be with your cameras on. Because that is the need of the competition. That is that much you can't, I think so, I'm sure you all can do. Only this much you all can do. Neelam, are you sharing the now question?
Yes, sir. Sahat sir, if you can just tell me if everyone's camera is on, I'll share the link.
Still plenty of their cameras are off.
Anyway, we can't help it now. Anyway, just do it.
Okay,
Please.
so once I share the link, I'll switch on the timer, which I have with me, and then I'll tell you when to stop. Meanwhile, every one of you will keep yourself on mute. In no circumstances you will unmute yourself. Okay, and if there is any doubt, since this is only a trial round, let this 20 minutes get over and then you can ask your question. Okay, so again I'm repeating, what you have to do is you will see 10 questions on the screen. You will go on answering each question one by one. There will be 4 options, A, B, C, and D. You have to select whichever option you find is correct according to you. And after all the 10 questions are done, submit your form. Do not forget to do not forget to submit the form. That is very important. Submit at the end of 20 minutes, or even if you finish it early, you can submit it early. Okay. Okay, I'm sharing the link here. Link is in chat.
I hope you all have seen the
And
link
I'm going
on the
to
chat.
start my. Anyone who is not able to access the link, you all will be able to access the link. Just log in with your Gmail account. And I'll start the timer now. Okay, and your time starts now. All the best.
Neelam, can we show the timer so that no, it won't come on the screen? No? Oh, no. Anyway, doesn't matter.
Excuse me,
Ma'am,
can you
please share
again
the
send
link
the
again.
excuse me, can you again send the link?
I've
It
sent
is
it
all-
again. Please check.
Ma'am, it's not opening. It's unable to open.
Yes, it is not opening.
Is it opening for the other students?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. We are doing the test only.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, beta. Thank you, beta. Thank you.
Try the latest one. Then for those who it is not opening, please try the latest link. The last one which I just shared.
So my link was not opening.
Just check the link which I have just shared now.
मैम सबमिट हो गया.
Oh my God. One thing you must remember, you must solve it out and then answer. Ye nahi ki anything that you keep on ticking, okay? बेटा जिसको सॉल्व जिसने सबमिट किया है तुमने सॉल्व किया था क्या? नहीं. कौन बोला मैंने सबमिट कर दिया?
Sir, I have received 6 responses so far, and these questions were not that difficult, na? So that is why they may have finished solving early.
Oh, possibly.
Few of them would put their camera on and have switched off.
Better you all need to keep your cameras on. Center. Mute yourself, please.
Sir, I'm done.
My also learn, sir.
Yes, Shiksha, you want to say something?
Sir, the link is not open.
Neelam, how many submitted?
Twenty of them, sir.
Yes, sir. I have submitted.
Siksha, could you access the link?
गुड आफ्टरनून टीचर। टीचर जो ये लिंक आया टीचर अभी इसको टीचर फिल करना है क्या?
No, this was only for Siksha. Siksha said na she couldn't access the link. That is why it's the same link. Do not open it if you have finished it.
ओके टीचर।
That link again. Can I have that link again?
What happened, Rupali?
Can I have that link again? I mistakenly got that.
Okay, beta, I'm going to share again because I cannot share individually to you. So I'm sharing it to everyone, but this is the same link I'm sharing. Okay, so please don't get confused.
टीचर ये हम लोग को करना है क्या?
नहीं बेटा, आपने अगर एक बार भर दिया है तो आपको वापस नहीं ओपन करना है ये लिंक।
टीचर मैं अभी आया हूँ, अभी कर लूं?
है ना?
आपने पहले नहीं किया है तो आप ये लिंक ओपन कर सकते हैं।
मैम
Yes, Aryan.
Ma'am, I submitted the test, but it is saying server error. What should I do?
Maybe it's a server error from your end. You can just try resubmitting it.
Okay, ma'am.
Laxmi, you cannot talk, beta. Laxmi Malwad, you cannot talk in between.
Teacher, my camera is running.
Neelam, when there is 5 minutes left, you can just tell them about it.
Yeah.
I can submit the form.
Yeah, those who are done, please submit the form.
We can leave the class now.
No, beta, just wait for a few more minutes. This is the last minute. Please, if you are done, please submit the form.
Sir. Sir.
Yes. Yes, tell me.
एक बार लिंक भेज दो ना.
बेटा अभी खत्म होने वाला है.
कनेक्ट नहीं हो रहा था मेरा इसलिए.
बट एक लिखी भी नहीं. छोड़ दो फिर.
हाँ सर.
छोड़ दो आज. अच्छा ठीक है, शेयर किया देखो मैं मिस.
थैंक यू सर.
Okay, just last few seconds left, just 3-4 seconds left. Please submit. I can only see 64 responses.
Others, please submit.
सर
हाँ बोलो.
Okay, just stop it. Stop everyone. Please stop doing this. Just stop it everyone now. I'm just going to...
How many answers were submitted, Neelam?
75 so far. 75
Oh.
responses were submitted. And okay, so I can see one child getting 32 on 40. That is the
Very
highest so
good.
far.
Very good.
So 32 on 40 is highest so far.
Who has got, sir?
That is Info Nidhi Vijay Shankar Yadav.
Yes.
Very
Okay.
good. Congratulations.
Yeah. And then there are few 24s between 32 and 24. There is no 28 here. Okay, so no one has got 7 questions correct. There is one child who has got 8 questions correct, and some of the students have got 20. Actually, most I mean there are about 5 students who have got 20. 5, 6, 7 students who have got 20. Okay, so the whole idea is, I am sure you must have got the idea of how this competition is run. Very important point is, if your video is off, we don't have any other
Give me
option
5
but
minutes, I'll
to
get back to you.
disqualify
5 minutes.
you. Okay, so we cannot help it. We will have to disqualify you if we see the video is off, because this is unfair for others, those who are taking this honestly. Second important thing is, when you're sitting in the room, please ask no one to disturb you. Even if there are people around you, you're not supposed to be turning your head around, talking to anyone, or doing any form of gestures also. Not even sign language is allowed. So please be very particular with this. This is for that 1 hour. You will have to restrict of any sort of gestures or any like you will not be allowed to even answer to your parents if they are around. So please be aware of these things, because this will lead to disqualify you from the competition. And for the team round, again, that is for 1 hour. So 2 hours on 8th of January, that is what we need from you. So please be very mindful of these things, and just keep your backup. If you are using your mobile hotspot, then we will need that for 2 hours. The internet connection, we would need strong internet connection for 2 hours. So in no case you will be allowed to switch off your camera. So this is something which is very important, beta. Please try and understand. We don't want to be unfair on this. So please be very careful with these things. Pradipta sir, do you want to add anything here?
No, I think so. This is absolutely fine. Thank you so much. So boys and girls, you all understood how it will be actually the individual round. This is a very simple set of questions that were given to you. Tomorrow also we will be having the team rounds. As I told you all that everyone should get across, ask your teachers about your team members, so that tomorrow when we do it, we will do it in teams and of course individual round also. So let us keep on seeing how we are doing it. I'm sure you all will be doing very, very well. I have my trust on all of you that since you people have been selected by your maths teachers from your respective schools, all of you are brilliant students, very, very good students. And for this math competition, you all can do very well. Okay. And you can be the mathematician of the year. Okay.
So we have uploaded a set of practice paper on Infinity website. So when you go on the Infinity website, there is a tab called practice papers. So that practice we have uploaded for seniors. So please look for the questions from look for the kind of questions which you will be asked. Of course, as sir mentioned, these were the very basic, these were not so difficult ones, but please look for those questions also, like download that and you can practice those questions. For both the rounds are uploaded there, individual as well as team round questions are uploaded there. So you will get an idea of what kind of questions will be asked and what will be the difficulty level. Okay. Yes, Nidhi.
As well
Yes,
as,
sir.
I can see up one particular window is written Gautam sir. Gautam sir, are you a teacher? Gautam. Mr. Gautam, I can see Gautam sir written.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He is a teacher.
Okay, yes, sir, very teacher. Good. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, boys and girls, to teachers. Thank you so much. Having a separate information session, I will let you all know about it. We have your email IDs and your phone numbers. We will let you all know. And please do join that particular information session. All right.
Okay.
And
one more
boys
thing,
and girls,
sir.
Yeah, please carry on. Please carry on.
So
Yeah.
Nidhi has one question here. Nidhi, you can ask.
Yes, teacher. Which two questions are wrong?
Okay, that I'll have to check, beta. That will take some time. I'll check and maybe if I can send it to you on your email ID, I will send your set of responses there. The question here, what I would want, I'm sure the last time when we had our orientation with you all, Milind sir had explained that you will be given a code, student code to join. Okay, so right now you all have named yourself with the names with your names. That day you will be required to name yourself with the using those codes. We will send you those codes and you can access those codes on 8th of January itself from that website itself. So you will have to keep visiting the website to see the codes, as well as the links will be activated on 8th of January. So you need not call up your teachers or Pradipto sir to find out what is the code and all those things. It will be all up on the website. Okay, so if you haven't visited it so far, please visit those the website and get used to it. Get familiarize yourself with the tabs over there. So you would know what is the link for individual round, what is the link for the math challenges, that's the team round. So all those things you will get over there. And I'm sure everyone is aware of how to rename yourself.
Yes.
Yeah, perfect.
Yes.
Yes, perfect. Yes, sir, I'm done, sir. Pradipto sir, you can take it.
Okay, fine then. Fine, okay. See all of you tomorrow. So you can just practice some maths and see all of Sahaj, thank you so much. Neelam, thank you so much. Madhuri,
anytime, sir.
Thank you so much. And all other those who are from over here, thanks for turn to each one of you. Okay, boys and girls, all the best. Have a lovely evening.
All the best.
Bye, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank
Bye,
you,
sir.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye,
you.
sir.
Bye, bye,
sir.
Beta.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Teacher.